I want to go across now live to Nagpur. Joining us from there is Mr. Nitin Gadkari, President of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you very much, Mr. Gadkari, for speaking to us on Headlines today. Your first reaction on this very embarrassing story, a second person on the most wanted list found inside India and not in Pakistan as the government had alleged.
This is embarrassing position not only for India, not only for the government or UPA government for the ministry, but it is for the country. Even for India, this is embarrassing position. It is quite difficult for us to argue this case with the international community in the world. And particularly Pakistan will take the advantage of this. This is going to damage the reputation of the country. And this is really very embarrassing. First mistake was a human error. The second is again is there. Who is responsible for that? The CBI is becoming a Congress Bureau of Investigation. They are only interested in politically manipulation. They want to blackmail the people who want to help to the Congress party. For that purpose, they want to blackmail the opposition parties. At the same time, the CBI is very vindictive with the opposition party's leader. And it's a Congress Bureau of Investigation. And they are not serious about the terrorism.
No, but do you not think, Mr. Gadkari, that the least that should have been done after the first person was found inside India and he was found in Thane, the least that the MHA should have done at that very moment would have been to get active and to ensure that there are no other people on that list who are found in India? That doesn't seem to have been done, because this is a story that the media got to first long before the ministry did.
It clearly, Rahul, indicates that the ministry, the minister, who are supposed to be very serious in this sensitive subject of internal and external security, the way in which this is the indication of how this government is serious about it. And the way this list is, without verifying this list, that is given to the Pakistan, it is very embarrassing position. And is it not the response of the ministry? Is it not the response of the minister? Because of this mistake, one mistake, second mistake, mistakes are going on, that is damage the reputation of the country in the world as whole. So this is a very embarrassing position for the country. This is not internal matter in the country
because
only.
We were speaking to officials from the Ministry of Home Affairs who said they are investigating what happened. Action will be taken against the officials. Do you believe that is enough? Or do you believe that the responsibility goes all the way to the top? Because some leaders from the opposition have demanded that Mr. Chidambaram, the Home Minister, step down. Do you support that demand, Mr. Gadkari?
I feel that these two major mistakes damage the reputation of the country in the world. And it is the responsibility of the highest authority. CBI is working under the Prime Minister and the Home Ministry is also involved in this matter. I feel that this is a great mistake which damaged the reputation of the country. And because of that, it is the moral responsibility of the Home Minister to resign from his post. He has no moral right to stay there. Because these are not the small mistakes. These are not the human error. Is it not the duty of the ministry to verify the thing by giving it to the Pakistan? It is a serious matter. We are fighting terrorism. It's a very serious subject. It is a one type of internal security and external security is the biggest problem for the country.
No.
In such a sensitive matter, the way in which the government behave, it is the response to the government of the ministry and particularly for the Home Minister. Morally, he should accept this responsibility and he should resign from his post.
The BJP president there asking for the resignation of Mr. Chidambaram because officials from the Ministry of Home Affairs are saying it's unfair to blame the minister given the fact that this is an oversight in connecting the dots. Attempts are being made to rectify the situation, which is very bad, but obviously there are lessons still to be learned. Do you buy and accept that explanation, Mr. Gadkari?
Okay.
Mr. Gadkari?
Yes.
Do you accept the explanation that is being given by the Ministry of Home Affairs that we could not connect the dots?
There is an explanation. For every mistake, there is an explanation. Then no one is responsible. Here in the history of India, for the plane accident or a railway accident, the minister resigned from this post. Minister never drive the train or aeroplane. But in such a case, when minister has to take the responsibility, he has to resign. Otherwise, for corruption, no one is responsible. For Commonwealth game corruption, no one is responsible. 2G spectrum, no one is responsible. Then no one is responsible. Then who is responsible?
All right.
How we are going to fix up the responsibility? Is it not the duty of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister?
Okay.
Is it the people expect that in such a way that government is going on working, damage the reputation of the country? It is not only the internal matter, it is the international matter, because in front of Pakistan, it is an embarrassing position for the country, it is an insult for the country, it is going to damage the reputation, it is not a serious matter. And who is responsible? Let minister should accept this mistake. one mistake was a human error. This is again second mistake. What is going on? Why they are not verified the list?